Welcome back to the channel. I want to talk about Navi. I want to talk about ultimately how do you create yield on yield on yield. Now we're going to use SUI, we're going to use Turbos, Cetus, and Navi to talk about the overall strategy, but you can apply this at anything. You've seen me doing it with Arrow. Is I earn between 100 to 250% returns in different pools on Aerodrome, and then I take those earnings, and I'm already at almost $10,000 worth of earnings. I take those earnings, I lend them out for another 91%. Yield on yield. You want to build momentum in your portfolio. You want to become financially free. You want to turn your crypto into cash flow or your DeFi into a business. This is the stuff we have to talk about and apply and do. How do you turn a little into yield? And then how do you take that? How do you take a little and earn yields on it? And then how do you earn yields on that? And then how do you earn yields on that? And then how do you further invest that into a bull market portfolio that could 5x, 10x? So many people are trying to beat inflation or try to save or pay off debt that's at 8%. I'm just like, let's just focus on making 40, 50, 60%, 100%, 200% returns and pay off our debt and ultimately pay off our problems with that. So here on Navi, same idea applies. You know, maybe you're yield farming somewhere on Turbos. You're doing some Turbo SUI, SUI USDC. You're doing a little USDT, USDC. You're getting rewarded in SUI. Or you're on Cetus. You got some SUI USDC here at 229%. You got some stablecoin stuff at 29%. Of course, does this fluctuate? Yes. You got the native DEX tokens along with SUI at 142%, much like the Turbos USDC idea, or the Turbo SUI, I should say. And as you earn rewards, what do you want to do with those? Here's where we kind of get the best of both worlds, is if you just compound back into your pool. And let me know if this makes sense in the comments, or if you need any clarification on any of these. These videos are ultimately for you. So use the comments. Let me know how I can serve you. But if we just take this and reinvest it, and SUI shoots up, which I know it will, literally, I keep stacking SUI because it's one of my bull run holdings. I may not want to be all my eggs in one basket in the pool. I may want to hold some on the side. And so I've managed to stack up 6,222 SUI. This is all free, by the way. And as I keep stacking this, I'd like to get to around 10,000 SUI. And as the bull run comes upon us in SUI, I think SUI's a $5, $6, $8, $10 asset. Their chain, there's so much I could say about SUI, the innovation, what they're building, and the future for SUI. Again, could I be wrong? Yes. Is SUI my only position? No. It's a small percent of my overall portfolio. The strategy, if you don't like SUI and you're like, SUI's crap, no one's going to use it, there's going to be no adoption of SUI, fine. But how can you use this in whatever asset you're looking to build? And then I can earn an extra yield on it. Now, if you're looking at 20% and saying, that's a joke, we're so spoiled in crypto and DeFi. Anything over 10%, I'm really happy with. Of course, 20%, I'm over the moon with. 50%, 80%, I'm like, I just won the lottery. 150%, I'm like, I'm running laps around professionally managed hedge funds by like, I'm 10xing their results. I do not turn my nose up at 20% because it adds up. And if I'm just holding SUI anyway, I may as well be earning some yield on it. This is about 3 SUI per day for free. And you do that on 10, 15 different projects you're in, next thing you know, it really starts adding up. Yield on yield on yield. Don't just blindly get into Navi. Make sure you actually check them out. But all I'm saying is this strategy is applicable into anything you're doing in the DeFi world. Again, yield on yield. That's how you build momentum. So many people are just sitting on assets and it's not doing anything for them. And I'm like, why are you doing that? Turn your crypto into cash flow. You hear me say that all the time. Crypto to cash flow. These aren't just fancy slogans. It's actionable. Crypto into cash flow. DeFi into a business. How do we build a cash flowing DeFi business? This is what we're doing here. And you don't have to be in SUI to do it. You can be in anything that you're in, and you can find ways to do this for you. Really hope that helps. Let me know in the comments if this served. Like and subscribe to this channel. And what I'll do is I'll leave 4 videos on the 4 corners of your screen. Dive in deeper. Check out some other videos. And let's make some cash flow. Let's build a business. With that said, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.